So before we start the day in the kitchen, I want to show you what I do in the morning time. This is my dog Alpha. Alpha is a Siberian Husky. He is so cute and he is a rascal. We usually go out early in the morning, sometime in between maybe 6:45 and 7 o'clock. This morning it was really cold. As you can see, we had a little bit of snowfall, probably only about an inch, but it was definitely below freezing. In the summertime, Alpha doesn't really like walks and he very easily overheats, but he loves this type of weather. The walk I take him in the morning around the neighborhood is about 10 to 15 minutes, but he's always trying to pull me to go further. But it is so cold, I just want to get home. So when we get home, I give him some treats and Max gets his breakfast. There's Max there eating his breakfast. They get on well together, even though Alpha's a little bit of a bully. Max doesn't mind, but Alpha always wants it his way. It's either Alpha's way or the highway. So now it's time to feed the fish. They wait for me to turn the lights on and to give them their breakfast as well. This is my husband's fish tank. He has two massive kois. They're actually quite small for koi, but they will soon grow out of this tank. And then he has two little goldfish, or the goldfish are quite big, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed my morning. Let's get stuck into the day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be in the kitchen organizing, sorting out my fridge. So I hope you enjoy it. Sit back and relax, or get up and get motivated with me. Why not? Listen to some music. Let's keep each other company. So if you'd like to see some more of my videos, please hit the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get stuck into it. So this is the result of going to bed without cleaning your kitchen. This morning I'm going to quickly unpack the dishwasher, then repack the dishwasher, and just quickly and lightly clean the sides. It's not going to be a deep clean in the kitchen, it's just going to be a quick one. Then I'm going to empty the fridge out and start cleaning. I'm alone, I'm a broken home. So I'm not going to say too much about our fridge. To be honest, it usually looks like this. It would be good if I got into a routine to organize and sort out things before I go shopping, but I don't. So today's the day I'm going to take everything out, I'm going to clean the shelves, and I'm going to reorganize the fridge. I'm tired of the pain. If you're curious, I'll show you what the freezer looks like. I've always liked side-by-side fridges and freezers, and I think the designs of the shelving is much more easier than having one big drawer. Something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired. So these 3 containers I had in the bathroom, I am going to wash them and reuse them in the refrigerator. These were from the Dollar Tree. And by the way, I've been saying the Dollar Tree. I know that the Dollar Tree has gone up 25 cents per purchase. It's a shame that that's happened, but I still think $1 was always a good deal. $1.25 is a big price to jump, but I still will be shopping at the $1.25 shop. They still have the name the Dollar Tree, but I guess it's just something you gotta get used to. But it is a shame that they did go up 25 cents per purchase. So some people will think that 25 cents isn't a lot, but if you think of it in the company's perspective, 25 cents each item is a lot of profit to jump to. If 1 million people give someone $1, they will be an instant millionaire. So think about how many times people come to the dollar shop, and each purchase that the Dollar Tree is going to be getting now, they'll be having 25 cents on top of that. So every 4 items, they're going to get an extra $1. So think of it that way. It was a high jump from $1 to 25 cents. And that's pretty much how I see the jump on the Dollar Tree. So today I'm going to use the product Awesome. It is from the Dollar Tree. It is an all-purpose spray and it smells like cherry blossoms. It's something that I would definitely go back and get again. I really like the smell. It isn't too strong, it's mild, but I just like the smell. It's sweet. So we finally got to the fridge. I'm going to start from the top shelf and work my way down, and then I'm going to just spray the shelves with some Awesome and just give it a clean. So this was everything that was in the fridge. There wasn't too many things I had to throw out. Actually, I don't think there was anything that I really had to throw out. But I will be trying to clean this as quick as possible so I can get the perishable goods back in the fridge. There's a lot of condiments, and I also have a broken shelf, so I am down one shelf that came out of the door. So let's get all this food, let's get the fridge cleaned and then this food back in where it belongs as quick as possible.
Did it die? Yeah. Did it die? Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't know.
So it was a nightmare trying to find some angles to show you how dirty the fridge was. It wasn't really as dirty as what I thought it was going to be. There was a little bit of maple syrup spilt which stuck to the shelves and I had some problems trying to get that off. I should have put the shelves in the sink, but I felt that I was running out of time. The food had been out long enough, so I just wanted to quickly wipe everything over and get that food back in.
Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? My aunt think I'm perfect, I know I'm not. My mama be worried, I told her stop. They know I did drugs and think that I'm off. Little do they know I never could stop. My manager hate when I'm pulling up late. Back on my bullshit, she think it's a phase. I got relations I gotta maintain. I'm two different people, my side and my main.
So right now I'm pretty much over cleaning this fridge. I am going to put everything in as fast as I can. So I'm going to start with all the condiments in the door, which I'm surprised I had so many. And then I'm going to start from the top shelf and go down.
I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger.
So I decided to use these containers for the small sauces that the kids get from the takeaway shops or the fast food shops. They always like keeping them, and we definitely use them.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like,
Those white creamy looking packages, I ended up throwing those out. I think it's got a base of egg and mayonnaise or milk, so I didn't know how long I'd had them for. I think they're from the Costco salads, and I don't really like using those because of the fat content. I just use the salad, so that's why there is so many of them in there. So now that I have room, I am going to use the Dollar Tree can organizer that I had got, and I'm going to put the cans in the fridge. We usually leave the cans outside because it's so cold. It keeps the sodas colder than what the fridge does. But now that I have some room, I'm just gonna bring a small portion of the sodas in and put them in the fridge.
There's no other way, yeah. When it hurts like this. When it hurts like this. When it hurts like this. And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
I went to pack the bottom drawers and I realized I hadn't cleaned them. So I'm gonna give the spray some of that Awesome on, and I'm just gonna give it a wipe over. There was actually some maple syrup stuck in the bottom here, so I gave it a good scrub. It took me a while to get it off, but I got it done.
Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
So I had to play a little Tetris game here with fitting everything in perfect. I didn't want those eggs to be in an area where the kids were going to be pulling them out to get what they needed, because I'm sure that's something that they'll do. And I finally got it all done. Yay! So let's take a look at the finishing results. So I put the meats in the bottom, I have them separate. Then in the second drawer I have my cheeses and salads.
Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again.
The Dollar Tree containers came in handy to keep all those little bits and bobs organized and separate from each other. I have one of the door shelves missing, so it was a pretty tight fit getting all those condiments in. But overall, I am happy that it is finally done. I am happy with the result. I hope this has inspired you to clean your fridge or anything that you have at home that's waiting for you to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I gave you good company. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my videos. Tell someone you love them and give them a hug. And until the next video, bye!